Okay, it's recording.
Right now?
So, there's not many opportunities where, your precious dog, has a birthday. So, what we're gonna do is, feed my dog ice cream, and we're gonna wish her a happy birthday. So, let's get started. For, the folks on Facebook. Papa Squat. Hey. Poop. Okay. Hey.
Get rid of the fire. Come here, bub.
Honey. Honey bun. Honey bun. Come here. Come here, baby.
Ooh.
Ew.
Wait. Okay, put your hat on. Turn around.
Put your hat on, Poop.
Okay, ready?
Doop.
Big 1-0.
Yeah, baby.
Blow it out. 1, 2,
Happy birthday.
The fire.
Why are you holding it right under? What?
Buddy. Happy birthday. Oh.
Well, that was magical.
Okay, well.
Cool. Well, yeah.
Not
Okay.
an animal.
Don't eat my hat, fool. What a creep.
Where'd you go?
Honey. Honey! Honey! You have to eat your ice cream now. Blow out your candle. You dummy.
Look. Look.
Look at the camera.
Look, I'm a werewolf. I'm going for it.
Ew. Nobody likes you when you do that. Honey. You're so cute. I just love you. You're precious.
Okay, happy birthday.
Okay, woo. It's okay. Okay,
Here.
let her lick the ice
Good
cream. Let's get her done. Aww.
Look at Skinny Cow.
How many people would give their dog ice cream?
There's no chocolate in it. Hello, cow.
Ew, I can smell the caramel.
Is that good? You should have put peanut butter in it.
You're so cute. I love you.
Okay, here, watch. Push up.
Ew.